Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to add a resume to a Wix website. There are a few different ways to do this depending on how you want visitors to see it, so I'll show you all three methods starting with the quickest one. The first method is uploading your resume and linking it to a download button. Open the Wix editor for your site, then click Add Elements on the left side. Click Button, then select a button under Document Buttons and drag it to where you want it on your page. Click the button, then click Change File. Click Upload Media, then click Upload from Computer. Select your resume file from your computer. Once it's uploaded, click Add to Page, then click Done. The button will now appear on your site and visitors can click it to download your resume instantly. If that's not quite what you need and you'd rather embed your resume so visitors can view it directly on the page without downloading, the next method is using a PDF Viewer app. In the Wix editor, click Add Apps in the left sidebar to open the Wix app market. Type PDF Viewer in the search bar and hit Enter. Select one of the available apps, then click Add to Site. The app will place a PDF viewer on your page. Upload your resume file through the app's settings, then adjust the size and position of the viewer wherever you need it. Use Preview to test how it looks before publishing. The PDF should be visible and readable right there on the page. The third method is creating a resume section that looks like part of your site design instead of just a file. In the Wix editor, click Add Elements, go to Strip, then click About. Select an About strip layout to add it to your page. Click the column with the preset image to open the column toolbar, then select Change Background. Select Image, click Upload Media, click Upload from Computer, and upload your profile photo. Now update the text boxes. Double-click the title box to add your name and professional title. Double-click the subtitle to add a summary, and double-click the description to include your experience, education, and skills. If you want, add a button and link it to your resume PDF so visitors can still download the full version. Finally, click the mobile view icon to switch to the mobile editor and adjust how it looks on smaller screens. PDF is the safest format since it keeps your formatting intact across all devices. You can easily log back into the Wix editor anytime and replace your PDF file or edit the text in your resume section. Updates go live as soon as you hit publish. Once you're done with whichever method you chose, click Publish to make your changes live on your website.